Hello, and thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to be having a look at a new travel trailer. This is a Forest River Vibe 28 RB. This is a 2020 model. This coach is all framed with aluminum and has fiberglass sidewalls. See here, if you look in the storage compartment, see aluminum framing. It's a 16 on center. Fiberglass sidewalls. This also has a hard fiberglass cap. It's like a boat hull there. Has pass-through storage here. A lot of storage up front. You'll see when we go inside, there's even more storage inside. This has probably the most storage I've seen inside a trailer this size. Got 4 manual stabilizers, so you can put those down all independently. Just use a cordless drill. We've got 2 20-pound LP tanks up here, so you can get those filled or swapped out about anywhere. And a power tongue jack, so it's all electric. This trailer only weighs 6,500 pounds, so you can pull this with most of your half-ton pickups or large SUVs. Got a freshwater connection here, sewer outlets in there. This coach has one slide, it's a big one, has the dinette and the trifold sofa on that, which we'll see in a little bit. City water connection back here. Another sewer hookup, outside shower. This is a full spare tire on the back, also prepped for a reverse camera. And we've got TV hookups here. There's access to the water heater, which is gas and electric. This has a huge awning, goes pretty much the entire length of the coach. It's all electric, has a LED light strip underneath it. Here's a little mini kitchen. Excuse me. We've got a fridge, little baby freezer up there, and then this will pull out. This is a sink, a little hose hookup. It will snap right into here, and then there's an electric burner, comes out the bottom there. Very nice. It comes with the plate that goes on that too, the induction plate, or pod or whatever. Got the wide stance on the axles here, so this is going to pull better. And this has the solid steps. So these steps come out, go all the way down to the ground, as you can see, and they lift up and just snap right into the door frame there. Got a 30-inch wide door with friction hinge, so it's going to stop wherever you leave it. So here is the main bedroom. We've got a big sliding door here to close that off. Come inside. This is a king bed. We've got all this storage underneath, all these baskets, and then the storage going underneath that. Got cabinets all across the top. Got power outlets and USB ports on both sides. Got a walk-in closet here, some shelves. A rod there to hang stuff. A big closet here. This does have washer and dryer hookups. This trailer is 50 amp also, so it's prepped for a second air conditioner. If you wanted to add one, you could. Control hookups there. That's for the battery, tanks, all your lights, awning and slide out, all controlled there. This closet here is behind the TV. We've got 3 big shelves. I mean, this really big closet as well. Let me turn this light on. There you go. Sorry about that. We've got a trifold sofa here that will pull out into a big bed. Got a fireplace, which is gas and electric. Got a big TV. It's a CD DVD player combo there with Bluetooth. A 12 cubic foot fridge that is all electric. It's 10 cubic foot. Furrion oven and microwave. Sink there with the gooseneck. And we've got this dinette. This will make down into a bed as well. Both of those drawers go all the way back to 3.5 feet deep. Then here's the huge bathroom. So this is a 28 RB. That RB just stands for rear bath. We've got a big shower here. Got more closet. here, toilet, cabinets down here, ton of storage under there. That opens up as well. Then we've got this big closet here, even more storage underneath that. So very cool. Again, this is a 2020 Forest River Vibe 28 RB. This trailer weighs 6,500 pounds. We are Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come visit.